upon a time in a forest there was one beautiful bird who can imitate the words of human beings. Like if I say hello, then the bird also say hello. If you say how are you birdie, then birdie again say how are you birdie. So like this is a talking bird. So one day when the bird was singing la 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 la, that time one boy was passing through the forest. So the boy heard the sound of bird and he was thinking, oh, this is a talking bird. Oh my god, this bird is very special. Let me go and talk. And then the boy went near the bird and said, hello bird. Then bird started imitating and the bird also started saying, hello bird. Now this boy was very happy to hear that and asking the bird, hello bird, come on, you come with me. I will take you to my home. We will play together. Again the bird started talking. Hello, come on, I will take you to my house. We will play together. After seeing this talking bird, the boy was really astonished. Oh my god, let me take this bird. Anyhow, I want this bird at my home. And slowly he went near the bird and he took this bird to his house. And after that, he kept this bird in a cage. Now the bird was very sad because the bird did not like to stay in the cage. The bird wanted to fly in the sky. So the bird was very sad and the boy was very happy. And he thought, wow, now I have a talkative bird. I can talk anything. I will show it to my friends, to my family members, everyone I will call and I will show them. And then he called his all the friends and he took them to the bird. But the bird did not say any word because the bird was very sad. If the bird is sad, so how can the bird sing and speak? So the boy became angry now. Now boy went to the bird and said, come on bird, you talk. How nicely you are talking in the forest. Why now you are not imitating me? Come on, say hello. Say hello. But the bird did not reply. After some time, the boy again came to the bird and said, come on, say my name. Come on, say my friends. How are you? Say how are you? But again the bird did not say any one word because he was sad. So now the boy was really sad to see this bird. Oh, I thought this bird is talking so nicely. That's why I took it at home. But now he is not telling any word. After that, the boy made this bird free. And then when the bird started flying, and that time the bird said to the boy, thank you. I don't like in the cage. I don't want to stay in the cage. That's why I was not saying any word. Listen boy, don't cage any bird or animal, okay? And then the bird flew away. So now the boy realized that, oh, I have caged that bird. That's why the bird was sad and that's why the bird was not speaking any word. So next time I will not cage any animal or bird because everyone likes freedom. So children, what is the moral of the story? We should not cage any animal or birds. Okay?
Children, how is a bird singing? Krishnapriya, what is the name of the story? Clap for Krishnapriya. What is the bird doing, Manya?
Talking.
Very good. Clap for Manya. What is the moral of the story, Nisha?
Don't keep any animals cage.
Can we keep any animals or birds in the cage?
No.